Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Citibank to other bank. So, of course, if you're looking on how to transfer funds to another bank, it's very easy. First thing that you'll need to do, what's going to cost you, it's free. And it is right for you if you want to transfer money to a deposit account you own at another financial institution, or if you want to fund your Citibank account from your deposit account as another financial institution, or your accounts are within the United States. So all you need to do now is just sign on to make a transfer. You'll have to sign in into your account and you'll be very easy to make a transfer. Of course, you can do the same if you want in your mobile app. You can scan this QR code. You'll be logged in if you're already logged in here, or if you're already logged in your phone, you can scan this QR code so you can log in into the website as well. So once you click in here as an example, they will take you right into the page where you can make a transfer. You'll have just entered uh, the other information of the account that you want to transfer to and the amount, and you'll have to click on the transfer button. As simple as that. Here, as you can see some transfer limits. If you want, is like there's the inbound monthly, which is $1,000, and inbound daily as example. And of course, you'll find here internal like 15,000 internal, 10,000 internal. So you'll have to keep that in mind. So this is monthly, daily. So yeah, those basically are the limits. And yeah, that's basically how to transfer Citibank to another bank funds, basically. Of course, if you want to know exactly how, once you logged into your account, you can simply go to transfers. And once you click on transfer, of course, you can link an account as example or make a one-time transfer depending on whatever you want. And simply you can click on whatever you want. Once you click on whatever you want, you can select from which account and then click on next if you have multiple like accounts to an account. And here as example, you can choose the account that you want to transfer to, and you'll have to enter the amount, click on next example, and simply click on OK. You can make another transfer, you can be good to go. And yeah, that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.